Hello, it's V.L.C. and welcome back to my very luscious cooking channel. Today I will be making a pizza, and the toppings for my pizza will be chicken, grilled chicken that I just made in my skillet, and I'm letting it rest and I'll be slicing it, pineapple, and I have a fresh pineapple that I sliced, and also bacon. And I just took 2 strips of bacon and cooked them in a skillet and just diced it up real fine. And of course I have my cheese blend, 3 cheese blend, which consists of mozzarella cheese, Kobe, and Jack. And I also added some Italian seasoning to my cheese. And of course, I buttered my crust. If you watch my previous video that I made when I was making a pizza, I buttered my crust. I always butter my crust. So now I'm gonna go ahead and slice my chicken, and then I'll be ready to start topping my pizza. So I like to cut mine lengthwise, and it's okay that it's not fully done because it will finish cooking in the oven. And I have my oven preheating at 425 degrees. And I'm just gonna slice it like this. All right, you guys, I think it's about time to assemble the pizza. I want to get my slices not too thick, but I'll just leave it like that. So now I'm gonna assemble my pizza. Let me move my chicken to the side. Well, how about this? I'll put my chicken right here. And now I'm gonna start with my sauce. I'm just gonna add my sauce. I think I can just add all of that. Just gonna spread it evenly across my pizza. I like a lot of sauce, so if you don't, adjust your sauce accordingly to your liking. So I have my sauce on. Now, I like to sprinkle a little more Italian cheese. Not Italian cheese, Italian seasoning. And now I'm just gonna start adding my cheese. I like to make sure that my cheese is covering my sauce. And now I'm gonna add my pineapples. Just take those and then add my chicken strips. I want to put the majority of my chicken up here. I think I might add a few more pineapples. Make sure I put all of my, I'm gonna eat that piece. So now I'm gonna sprinkle my bacon. Everything is coming together. Again, my oven was preheating on 425. And I'm gonna cook this pizza for 10 to 15 minutes. Check it out for 10 minutes and then cook accordingly to your liking. So now I'm gonna add it to the oven. I just took my pizza out of the oven and I allowed mine to cook 13 minutes. And I'm getting ready to slice it. And I'm gonna serve it with a side salad on the side with my Very Luscious oil and vinegar dressing. So I'm gonna get ready to slice my pizza and plate it. And I challenge you guys to make your own pizzas with your favorite toppings. With your favorite toppings and post them. And if you try this recipe, post it, tag Very Luscious Cooking in it on Instagram and on Facebook. So here's my pizza. Let me go ahead and plate me a piece. There's one. And here's two. And I'm gonna sprinkle it with a little Parmesan cheese. And thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe to Very Luscious Cooking channel on YouTube. And bon appetit. It's time for V.L.C. and you to eat.